one was worth fighting for because I had a chance with you. You giving me that chance literally gave me the strength to continue. And being with you has given me the reason to live.
We met over dessert at a little place called Lucky's. And what was supposed to be a short encounter turned into hours of easy conversation and a major crush.
I love the way you love so passionately with everything you do, from the smallest detail to our animals, to our visions, our son, and most of all, the way you love me.
We have a chance to rebuild our together forever. A chance to dream, create, live, and love with the lessons learned now in our back pockets.
You're a one-of-a-kind gift to this earth, and I feel so lucky to get to be with you, to experience it all together. I want every day, every cherished moment, now and through forever with you.
Well, I traveled for a Zion's rappelling trip, where I wrote a list of all I desired in a partner, and I took that list to God. In that prayer, I desired to know if I was ready to date again, and if you were the one I should date. In the cool, still night, I felt a strong impression and heard a voice distinctly assuring me that I had just met the man I was to marry.
All I am and all I will ever be is eternally yours.
I vow to love you fiercely in all your versions. I vow to love you in all your flaws, for you make mine seem insignificant and beautiful. Loving you has been a great test of what I am capable of, and a greater testimony of what God is capable of.